Personal safety, especially at night, is a concern for universities and towns everywhere and is often in the media. It is a real and pressing problem for a large portion of the population. I'm Mark Stanley from Thingitude, and for the Smart Towns Cymru programme, I've been invited to talk about My Way, our personal safety app. My Way started life focused on the safety of women university students in 2020, and through something called the Safer Streets Partnership, has grown into a personal safety tool for everybody in my hometown at Reading. There are many types of sensors on the market, but unfortunately not a creepy guy sensor. Instead, we use data from sensors on the streets of Reading, along with crowdsourced incident reports to help keep our users away from trouble. So, if you are interested in how towns are using smart technology to help people feel safer, or if you're interested in how to go about co-designing solutions with community groups, then please join us at midday on Tuesday 28th of February using the link in the text to register. See you there.